What's up, YouTube? Your Vapes and CBD coming at you with another product review and box opening. Today we are on the Ijoy Diamond VPC kit. Awesome device for all you people trying to get off cigarettes, and another great recommendation. So what do we got? In this box, you actually get quite a bit of stuff. One, you get the device. You get the pod system that you can fill your own juices and things in. Got your charger cable. And you also get a little keychain device, or however you want to carry it. It also comes with it, which I don't have with me. I got that somewhere. But yeah. So let's see what it's talking about. So in this, I got 50 Nic ripe Fiji melon salt nicotine juice. Vape's pretty damn smooth on 50 Nic. 1, 2, 3. You got different settings. You got the juul settings if you want to vape juul pods, or any other pods that are similar to the juuls, like C pods, JFit pods, and many other pods that are similar to the juuls that could fit the juuls. It could also fit in here. You could do Juno pods, you could do Biley pods. You got your puff counter. You could vape on regular power mode if you want to vape your pod system on wattage mode, or if you want to slap another tank on here. You don't really got too many options though, because it's only maxes out at 45 watts. You got a 1400 milliamp battery, which on the, right now, I'm going on 4 days on this device, so that's what my battery life is. That's when my puff counts are since I last recharged this device. I'm at 442 puffs, so that ain't bad. You know, to have more than half a charge left. Let's give it a vape. Pros about this device. Vape's really good. Really resembles a cigarette hit. The battery life is also a plus. You don't get no leaking. I'll have this thing in my bag, in my pocket, whatever. Hasn't leaked on me. Plus. The con I found with this device. This pod specifically, like after you hit it too many times back to back, you could get spit back, or even if you take too hard of a pull, you get spit back. 50 Nic of salt nicotine, e-juice, that stuff could be harsh on your throat. You know, so I gotta get me a drink of water whenever that happens. So yeah, other than that, man, this thing is a freaking awesome device. This thing is also really versatile. Another plus. So let's see, what do I mean by that? You just pull the pod off. This, you can put whatever juice you want to put in here. But you got this device, right? You got this little adapter piece. And with this adapter piece, it allows you to put pod systems in here, like juul pods, JFit pods, almost any other pod you could think of. Just make sure you change your modes by clicking on 1, 2, 3. And going over to, I like to vape on juul mode. These are C pods that I'm using. You just hit enter in order to select it. And let's give it a vape. Amazing. Man, that thing hits like a choo-choo train. Ooh wee. Man, hit that too many times, you're gonna have a hair rush. So, yeah, definitely recommend this. And a little FYI, all of the product reviews and things that I do is all on devices that I've paid for myself. for the purpose of this review and just for the purpose of getting the knowledge of how different vape devices work. I'm actually still new to the vaping industry. Probably been vaping now for about 6 months or so. Yeah, but everything I'm saying is all subjective. You know, take it how you want to take it. Everybody has their own opinions, own feelings, and different knowledge about things, you know, so I ain't saying that my recommendations are the best. You know, it's up to you if you choose to try it out. So thank y'all for all the love and support. If y'all enjoy this video, go and check out my other videos on the other reviews that I've done. I see that people really seem to like that the Novo starter kit, and this compared to the Novo, it all depends on what you're looking for. If you want something with longer battery life, something that's more versatile, definitely would choose this. You want something that's more sleek, compact, hey, you might want the Novo, you know. But again, it's all based on your own opinion and own feeling about things. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like my videos, go ahead and comment whatever you think I should post next. Whatever other devices you want to know about, let me know. I'll see what I can do on getting that device and doing a review on it. And again, shout out to all the subscribers. And your vapes and CBD will be back to you with some more. Easy.